Samsung is gearing up for the big reveal of its Galaxy S24 series on January 18, 2024. Even Glass has spilled the beans on what we can expect from these smartphones, so let's dive into the details. The standard Galaxy S24 packs a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 x 1080. It's built with Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for durability. Selfies, covered by a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Flip it around and you'll find a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens at the back. Depending on the region, it'll run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, offering 8 gigs RAM and storage options of 128 gigs or 256 gigs with UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 sports a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging, plus 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Expect it to roll out in February 2024, priced between $850 to $900. Stepping up, the Galaxy S24 Plus rocks a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 x 1440. It's got the same tough build and a 12-megapixel punch-hole selfie cam. Its camera setup mirrors the standard S24, paired with either Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, but with a beefier 12 gigs RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs using UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 Plus houses a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging, boasting similar connectivity features. Expected price? Around $1,050. Now the flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, flaunts a sizable 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 x 1440. The selfie cam, a 12-megapixel punch-hole. The rear camera setup is the showstopper with a massive 200-megapixel primary lens, complemented by other lenses for various zoom capabilities. Unlike its siblings, the S24 Ultra uniformly runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offering 12 gigs RAM and storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs using UFS 4.1 tech. Its 5,000 mAh battery supports 45-watt fast charging, and it packs the same connectivity features as the other models. Expect a premium price tag of around $1,250. Overall, the Galaxy S24 series promises upgraded displays, durable builds, enhanced hardware, and smart AI features. While it might not be a massive leap for S23 Ultra owners, it's an enticing upgrade for users of older models or newcomers to the Galaxy S series. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.